To begin, I'd like to actually just show you something on the screen. You don't have to do anything, just have a look. Okay, now I know that was fast, but could you describe to me anything that you remember seeing? Anything at all. Go ahead, just take a second, say it out loud. Okay, obviously I can't hear you, this is a video, but when you did that, all of that information that you were describing, maybe you mentioned aspects about the color or the layout, or you thought it was busy, or it was simple, or maybe you commented on the tone and it felt like it was professional or unprofessional. What you just participated in was called the 5-second test. We use the 5-second test to gauge users' first responses to a screen or a design. So maybe a home page or even a mobile site. And we show users this clip for just a few seconds because it's before they have to get into the content and start looking for information. The 5-second test is great to get at users' very first impressions so we can see what stands out to them. What do they like? What do they recall? What kind of tone are we setting for the rest of the journey in the site? A couple of tips if you're going to use this as part of a research study. Keep in mind that you don't want to tell users what you're going to do. Now, for this exact case, you were all primed a little bit because you'd probably seen the title of this video, which says 5-second test. But for your users, when you bring them in, don't tell them that you're going to ask them to recall what they've just seen. Okay, just do it like I tried to do with you. Tell them you'll show them something, and then later ask them to describe it. The second tip to remember is, ultimately, if you want to gauge preferences and which versions people actually prefer of a design, you're going to have to use a different method. Use something like A/B testing, multivariate testing, look at your analytics. That's the ultimate test of what people prefer. But the 5-second test can be very useful to draw out some of those first impressions and that gut reaction that people have when they first come to your site.